Hi guys, welcome back. So as you got to know from the description box also that this video is about that we installed a dash cam in our car, and the clip that you saw earlier was from our dash cam only. So on road such things happen and these disturbing elements blame you for everything even if it was your fault or not. और obviously आप अपना फ़ोन या अपना कैमरा हर समय ऑन करके नहीं रख सकते. So a dash cam comes in handy for the security reasons. Now before we dive into the video, I would like you to subscribe to the channel. नीचे subscriber count दिख रहा होगा and you can see it's not much. So subscribe to the channel so that you can see all my car related or all my travel related videos. Now let's see how we install it. So it comes with three attachments. One is the main camera. It comes in a cylindrical form. It has a output light on it. On the side it has a pot in which you can connect a long aux cable to it, which comes along with it. Along with it comes a holder, so you just have to put into it and paste it on your windscreen, so you can get, and you can actually align it. You can actually align it to your convenience.
Hello, Ding Ding Pie.
उसके नीचे नहीं लगाए,
दिखेगा
उसके नीचे लगाना चाहिए ना. आई थिंक तो क्या. So as you saw, it was pretty simple. You don't have to do anything. You just have to replace the sticker and put it on your windscreen. So it becomes pretty much easy and pretty much simple. Now if in case you're wondering that where does that wire goes, does it come in the front? No, it does not come in the front. The aux cable that I'm talking about, it goes into the ceilings, as you can see how we installed it. So it is not at all visible. It comes below your glove box so you can easily install it, and it is not at all visible also. So talking about the camera quality is also quite good, quite decent when it comes to a dash cam. So as you can see on your screen as well, the day mode and the night mode, so with the video quality is quite good, quite decent I would say. And also the dashcam we got, it comes with an inbuilt storage. So there are two types of dashcam that comes. One in which you have to put an external storage device to it, or it comes with an internal storage. Internal storage one, it's much more easier. Why? Because it's easier to use. Why? Because you don't have to take out the external device, delete the videos, put it back again. So it goes into loop. The inbuilt storage ones delete the previous videos and keep on recording the the newer videos. Now just in case you are wondering where you will get the videos from, so it's an app by the name DDPi. It gets automatically connected to your car. Once you step into the car, it gets automatically connected. You don't have to every time connect it through the Bluetooth. So it's a pretty simple app. It gets connected. Even when you are putting it on your screen, you can see that how is the camera aligned, and you can align it according to the app on which it shows. So yes, you can extract the videos from there. The thing I liked about this dash cam was that you can even take photos from it. Suppose you are going on a trip and it's a lovely nice view in front of you, so you can immediately take photos. Or if in case there's an overspeeding driver or somebody who is not driving very safely, you can take a photo of their number plates as well. Also it comes with shock sensors, like, so you can adjust it in the app whether you want a high sensing system or a low or a medium. Even if in case you have put it on the high, and even if you bumped on a speed breaker, it starts taking emergency photos and emergency videos, which is actually very good for safety reasons as well. So that's a very cool feature that it has in this dash cam. So I guess it's all the information that you want to know about a dash cam. So if in case you have installed a dash cam in your car, do let me know about it. If in case you have any questions regarding the DDPi dash cam that we installed, do type it in the comments box and I would be happy to answer that there as well. If in case again you wanted to see much more of me, subscribe to the channel and like the video, share it with the people if in case you think that it would be helpful for them. Take care, bye.